From the Andes at more than 3,000 meters above sea level, we descend to the Amazon. In the province of Zamora Chinchipe, we find ourselves in El Pangui, known as the Orchid of the Amazon. Here, the Shuar, Mestizo and Saraguro ethnic groups live together in harmony, and through tourism, open up to the world. Ecuagenera's facilities are located in San Antonio, just 2 kilometers from El Pangui. With 48 hectares of production and restored forests, this place is the origin of biocommerce. A sustainable economic activity and the ideal place to receive tourists from all over the world.
Hi everyone! Today we are at our nursery in El Pangui with our friend Juan Pablo. He's a biologist. So, come with us to see our hybrids.
Ecuagenera has 4 hectares of greenhouses, 1 million plants produced in more than 1,000 species.
Hi Juan Pablo, welcome to Ecuagenera.
How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. Hi Gigi.
Hi Dad.
So I am admiring this beautiful philodendron Chardonnay. Looks just like a new leaf, but I am intrigued because I can see the stem is quite albinum, so it may stay album. So it's beautiful species.
It's really awesome. And where did they come from?
Originally, the habitat is from the Choco Andino, from 500 meters to 1,000 meters. Luckily, we have in these 2 areas a Ecuagenera reserve, so the plants grow in our reserve too.
So those are so beautiful, and this is how you can see in the Ecuadorian Andes are beautiful plants. Later we will see the hybrids, but now we are seeing a beautiful species.
The Amazon is home to a large number of animal and plant species, including orchids and Oraceae. However, deforestation and soil degradation threaten their survival. Orchids and Oraceae are sensitive species that are affected by forest loss.
Philo love dendron tree, love to touch to the tree.
Ecological restoration can help restore ecosystems and protect biodiversity.
So Juan Pablo, what do you think about today's trip?
It was such a great experience. I never seen so many species of plants in one place. So the better is that you don't have to be a specialist. If you are just a person who enjoys life, who enjoys the beauty of life, this is the better place in the world to be.
Local communities in the Amazon depend on natural resources for their livelihoods. However, deforestation and land degradation threaten their way of life. In this context, tourism and biotrade become tools for the development of the region. Ecuagenera is an example of conservation in action.
If you get here, it's because you like this video. And did you know that throughout this video, you listening to the song of the Ghost Beard? Yes, we did song. And if you want, listen this and more songs, follow us in our Spotify account and subscribe in our account YouTube. And don't forget, follow us in our network account.